so. Hello, chat. Oh god. Shit. I was playing all this time without a focus.
Gosh. I had
My game number 687 against Danya. Would you be so kind?
По-английски. По-английски,
Я бы
пожалуйста.
сказала.
Alright, and there we go. The game that never happened. Me versus Danya on Naroditsky. Oh, wait a second. The game is not in the database. How did that happen? Oh, that's because FIDE raised it. King's Indian, my favorite, with the bishop d3, the line that I always play. Danya goes c6. I need to complicate the position. I go short castle. Danya goes a6. He wants to play b5. I go a4. I already have an advantage. He goes a5, although everybody has an advantage in the King's Indian h3. Knight to a6. That's an interesting maneuver, transferring the knight to c7. Danya is so focused. That's because he still doesn't know that this game is not gonna count. Bishop f4. Okay, I develop. What am I gonna do? Ooh, this guy over there looking at us. Bishop goes back. Of course, I'm not gonna trade the bishop. Slight advantage for white, let's say. Oh, Anna there in the background in this game. And now I'm thinking, oh, and he goes knight h5, bishop h2. I save my time. e5? Interesting move, e5. What is he trying to do? Okay, I capture the pawn. Because why not? It's in the center. I want to keep the bishop. Pawn takes, okay. I want to keep the bishop on g7, kind of bad. Let's see what he's gonna do. But wait a second. Do I want to trade queens or not? Huh. It's a tough choice, Tina. Okay, I trade queens. A rook takes. Somehow my opening advantage goes away, but I get an extra pawn. Knight takes e5. Wait a second, I'm an extra pawn. Bishop e6, attacking c4, okay. Tough situation. Okay, g4, I kick the knight out. Where's the knight gonna go? Knight to f6. Well, yeah, what else is he supposed to do? He can, of course, capture my knights, but then I would capture back with the bishop. Knight f6, yeah. Now I can continue kicking the knight away, like just playing g5. Honestly, I'm just a pawn up. Although Danya seems so chill. And now he's drinking water. Let's see how he smashes that bottle of water. Okay. That's probably when I realize. Oh my god. Wait a second. The position is not as easy as it seems. Where am I gonna go? c5. Okay, well that would be a potential outpost on d6. That would be a very beautiful one. What's that, Daniel? You're not happy, are you? h5. Okay, he's opening up the h file. He's trying to get some space for I don't know what. Well, I can just push the g-pawn. Danya, what are you thinking of? Danya's like calculating. Hold on a second, I need to be focused. I need to figure out something here. g5, of course. I'm attacking the knight. The knight is gonna go away. Yeah? Where are you gonna put your knight, Danya? Where are you gonna put your knight? You don't have a square for a knight? Knight d7. But I'm just taking, yeah? h5, of course. My h3 pawn was attacked. I'm gonna defend it. Now rook d2. I don't like that. Oh boy. How do I defend the b2 and the knight and everything? Uh-oh. Lord, save my soul. What am I gonna do? Ay. Okay, I push e5. It seems cool because I block his bishop. On g7, the bishop cannot go anywhere. Danya is thinking. That's a good sign. I love what Danya is thinking. What is he calculating? I mean, if he takes the pawn on b2, I'm gonna play f4 or knight e4. Knight e4 is great because I can play knight f6, knight d6. I mean, honestly, this is a good game. So far, I'm fighting, not giving anything away. Rook to d8, okay. Interesting. I mean, all his pieces are playing, but look at my knight on d6, so good. Danya, where is your advantage? How are you gonna win? And I know you want to win this game, because you cannot let me take away your rating points too soon. Oh, wait a second. There are no rating points, because this game never counted. I mean, it did count, but then it got erased from the base. b6. Oh, that's Anna. What did she do? Resigned? Okay, Danya is trying to kick my outpost knight, which is understandable. That's okay. We think and think and think. Come on, Dina. Ay, ay. What's wrong with you? Just move it. Okay, rook to f2. That's okay. Knight to... Oh, sorry, rook e1 check, but I just go rook f1 back. You wanna draw? Draw? I offer a draw. Oh, that's Kingsley on the background. My friend. Okay. Oh, Danya's getting nervous. Danya! Come on. You can't win against a women's grandmaster? Okay, rook takes rook and pawn takes. And go rook a3, but he goes c4. Rook c3, but am I missing some? Oh no! My god! Damn it. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Oh, it goes down to hell. Oh my god, how could I do this? No way. Shit.
Yeah, so first game I played this,
Yeah.
it's not like I looked at it, I just
Yeah.
spur of the moment.
Yeah.
So
Then you were tricking me into
I don't think
A4.
A4, I don't think B5 is that scary, because usually you just make B5 with A3.
Oh wow.
I would just play like H3 here and B5 A3, so you could here. Because now I have this idea, knight A6 E5.
Yeah, it's very annoying.
Bishop F4 I like,
So
or
I
you
start-
can start with H3 I think.
Yeah,
which is
I wanted to
reasonable.
stop you
Bishop
from-
G4, yeah. So I went here,
Yeah.
Bishop,
1 second, I'll just check it.
yeah, Bishop F4, knight B4 I think. I don't know about Bishop E1 because it blocks your rook out.
Well, what else am I gonna do with my bishop?
Bishop E2 maybe, why not? It's
Oh,
usually an
bishop
E2.
E2. Oh, because I thought that I should,
Hide
protect
away,
this
yeah.
one. But it's not like you were attacking it, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I
Yeah.
thought maybe D5, but
Yeah.
now the rook
I
is out
should-
of the game and it gets really nasty.
Yeah.
So I
you're
went
right,
here.
You're right, okay.
I think you should go Bishop G5. I think here
Really?
it's already bad for you, yeah.
Because of E5.
E5,
But
yeah.
I didn't get. I thought you just
I think you're.
blundered.
Oh, I think you're
How?
lost. You're losing in this endgame.
How?
You can't move. You're just a pawn up. You can't move.
So
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, this is nice. I actually missed this because I thought with B3 I have like G5, knight F4 winning up the
Yeah.
spot. But still, now they have weaknesses on the king
Okay,
side.
now B3, but I don't, yeah.
Yeah, I thought about playing knight, H5 include. If F3 rook D2.
No, that. If I go this way,
Yeah, G5.
oh, here.
Yeah, so you found a nice idea, E5.
Yeah.
And this, but too many weaknesses. Did I take the one? Okay, we gotta switch.
Well, good luck.
We are playing against each other, and I am white. Revenge from yesterday.
Would you be so kind to put this one on you?
Yes. If you are so kind, can we give